Hello friends, thank you all for watching my videos. I am Danz, and you are watching Tech and Learn with Danz. In today's video, I want to show you how to customize the side menu and the start menu list, and also I want to show you on how to enable the dark mode feature available in Windows 10. So without wasting time, let's get started. Personalize and customize the start menu list. It is one of the most important features in Windows 10, where most of us use to open apps, access commonly used folders, and a whole lots. Because it's such a commonly used features, you may want to customize the start menu to suit your needs.
Whenever we take the mouse pointer and click on the start button, you see a start menu pops up. So this is the default start menu that appears when we click on this start button, and it is divided into three main sections. The first one is side menu, and the second one is start menu that contain all the applications installed in our system, which are grouped according to their first letters. And third, we have the start screen that contain one or many tile containers. So it depends upon you how many tiles or how many apps you pin on this start screen section. So here you can also resize the start menu horizontally or vertically. How? So by taking this mouse pointer on this and on this start menu, and you can drag horizontally to increase the width, and also you can take the mouse pointer over this top edge and you can drag down vertically to decrease the height and to increase the height of the start menu. And also on this section, you can resize these tiles according to your needs, and you can move from one location to another. So it depends upon you how you customize the start screen. For example, now let me increase the size of these apps. Now to increase the size of this app, just right click on it. You will see this menu pops up. On this menu, you will see a lot of options are there. For example, first option is unpin from start. Means if you don't want these apps or these tiles to be appear on the start screen, you can click this option, then it will get erased from this start screen. So in order to resize these tiles, just take the pointer over this resize option. You will see the pop-up menu on this right hand side. Now as a default, it is small. So in order to increase the size, let me click this medium. Once we click medium, you will see the size of this tiles has been increased to its medium size. Now if you want to move this tile from here to here, what we can do, just press and hold the left mouse button and drag wherever you want as you need. So now you can see that tile which was here has been placed on top. And also you can rename this container. For example, it is written here software, you can write here application. So this way you can rename the container also. It depends upon you on how you customize or how you organize your start screen. So I've shown you the method. Use the method that I've shown you to customize your start screen. So next,
Sometime you might be realize, one of the frequently used items in Windows for you is not the application, but rather than specific folder, file explorer, or maybe settings or accessing particular personal folder, pictures, etc. Let me show you how to optimize and accelerate access to those items in Windows 10.
So now let me show you how can you add some more options on your side menu in a start menu. So to do that, let me show you the side menu first. When I click on the start button, you see this start menu pops up. On this bottom left corner on the side menu, you can see the setting option. Only one setting option is available here. So if you want to add some more option, then what we can do, we can just right click anywhere on this desktop, just click on personalize. When this contact menu appears, click on personalize. Then you will see this personalized window screen appears. Let me minimize this one. So this personalized settings screen appears. So you can see on this left pane, it is on background option. It is activated in background option. So whenever you click on personalize, what happens, the default screen will appear of background. So here, if you want to customize the start, just scroll down and click on this start options. Once you click on the start option, this right hand side pane will change the start settings screen. Here you can see a lot of options are there. We'll come through this option one by one afterwards. So let me add some more option. To add some more option on the side menu, just click on this option which is written choose which folder appear on start. So once you click on this options, you will see it will switch to this screen where you can see many options available here, to which you can add and remove whatever option you want. So in my case, this setting option is on. Why? Because setting option is already there on the side menu. So if you want to add some more, so you can choose any option from here. For example, let me choose pictures, document, and file explorer. So these three options I've been added on the side menu. So to check whether it has been added or not, let me click on the start button, and now see on this left bottom corner, this three option has been added: file, picture, and document. So this way you can choose these options to add some more option on the start menu. So next,
There are other customization you can do to your start menu.
so now let me show you some more options available in the personalized setting screen, to which we can customize and we can change the look of the start menu. So to do that, right click anywhere on your desktop screen. Once you right click, you will see this contact menu pops up. From here, you select this personalize, and you will see this personalized settings screen appear on your desktop. From here, to customize your start menu, just click on the start option from this left pane. When you click on the start option, you will see the start screen appear on this right pane. From here, many options you will find. So let us go through each and every option one by one. So let me show you the first option, show more tiles on start. Means what? For now, this option is off. Now when you click this one, when you switch this option to on, what will happen? Let me show you. Let me click on start button. Now you can see there are no space on this side for some more tiles. So when you switch this option to on, what happened? Automatically, let me show you, it expands this column so that we can add one more medium sized tile. So this option, if it is on, means you can add some more tiles. For now, I'll keep it off. So next we have show app list in start menu. So what do you mean by this option? Now it is on, that's why when you click in start button, see, you can see the start menu list is appearing in this section. So if you don't want this start menu list to appear whenever you click on the start button, then what we can do, you can just uncheck this one, just click it here so that it will get off. Then now go back in start menu and see the start menu list is disappear, is gone. You can find only the start screen and the side menu. So whenever now, after this option is off, now whenever you click on the start button, you will not find the start menu list. So in order to switch from this start screen to start menu, what you can do, just take the pointer on this option and click. Once you click there, you will see your start screen switch it to start menu list. And again, if you want to switch to start menu, you can click on this option, then it will switch to start screen. So this way you can enable or disable this option in order to hide the start menu list, and in order to switch from start menu to start screen, and from start screen to start menu. And next we have show recently add apps. So now what do you mean by this? So this option enable you on help you to view whatever recently app you have used or you have installed. For example, now it is off. That's why when I click on start menu, now you can see when I switch to start menu list, now you can see nothing is there. Nothing recently app options are there in this start menu list. Only the apps that are installed are available in this section. So if you switch this one on, and when you go back and see the start menu, now you can see recently add apps. Whatever app that I have used or I have installed is already shown in this list. So you can enable this option in order to see whatever apps you have installed or used recently. So for me, I will keep it off. Next we have use start full screen. Now what do you mean by this option? For example, so whenever we click on the start button, we see the start screen appear this way, or the start menu appear this way. But if we don't want the start menu to appear this way, we want the start menu to appear in full screen like it appears on Windows 8. For example, if you are familiar with Windows 8 and you are not using Windows 10, then you can use this option. So when you click and switch it this one to on, what happens when you click back the start menu? What you see your start menu screen appear in full screen as it is appear in Windows 8. So this way you can switch from use start full screen to normal, and from normal to use start full screen. For me, I will deselect this one because I don't want the full screen. I want this default normal screen. So I will disable this option. So it depends upon you. If you want to enable it, you can choose this option so that your start screen will appear in full mode. I hope you like this ways and you like the option. If you like, then please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. So next I will show you
Dark mode feature. It is a setting available in Windows 10 that turn your bright screen into a dark mode and help you protect your eyes and allow you to stay more productive for more long period of time while working on your computer system.
So now let me show you how can you enable this cool feature which is available in only Windows 10, that is known as dark mode. And also I'll show you how to change the color of your start menu so that it will look cool and look attractive. So to do that, right click on desktop screen, you will see this contact menu pops up. From here you click on personalize. Once you click on personalize, you will see a personalized settings screen appear on your desktop. So from here in the left pane, from this left pane, you can select this option color. Once you select this option color, you will see on the right pane this color settings screen appear, and you will see a lot of options are available here in this section. So from here, let me show you the first option, that is choose your color. So for now, this custom option has been selected. So in order to select any option, just click on this arrow button. You will see two more options, light and dark. When you choose this light option, what will happen? You will see your taskbar, your start menu, whatever, it appears to be in brightest color, which we don't want. So when we click on custom, then you will see two more options appear on the screen, that is choose your default from window, choose your default apps mode. So this option enable you to customize your desktop screen manually as you want or as you need. So this option also we don't want for now. So in order to enable the dark mode, just click on this arrow button. From these three options, select this dark option. Click on this dark option, then you will see a dark screen mode has been applied to this screen. Not only to this screen, even when you right click, you will see the contact menu also in dark mode. Even the file explorer, when you click on that, you will see the file explorer window also appear to be in dark mode. So this way you can enable the dark mode in Windows 10 so that you can stay more productive for a more long period of time while you are working in Windows, also while you are working in computer. So I suggest you all to enable this dark mode if you're using Windows 10. But if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, then don't worry. In my upcoming video, I'll show you the ways and the method on how to enable the dark mode or apply the dark mode in Windows 7 or Windows 8. So if you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel so that whatever video I upload, you will be the first to watch that one. So next I will show you the transparency option. This option, what is the use of this option? So for now this option is on. That's why you can see the transparency of your desktop through this screen. And also not from this screen, even when you click on start button, you see on the left hand side, when you take the pointer over this side menu, you can see the transparency of your start screen through this side menu. So why? Because this option is on. When it is off, then you won't see any transparency. So I suggest you to keep it on. Why? Because when it is on, it look cool and it look attractive. Got it? So next I will show you the option choose your accent color. What do you mean by this? So before I perform any tasks on this option, let me show you one thing. You can see here the color, it is in blue. This bar is also in blue. So even the search box border also it is in blue color. Even when I take the mouse pointer over the start button, it changes into blue color. So why? Because already I have select, when I scroll down, already I have select here what? Blue color. As a default, it is selected. Now it is written there default blue color. That's why blue color appear wherever option is activated. So if you want Windows operating system to automatically pick the color from your background. For example, I have applied this background. I want the Windows operating system to pick any color from here. Now what can I do? I can just click on this box. When I click on this box, you will see now whatever color I have selected from this palette, it is gone. Now the yellow color appear. Why? Because Windows operating system automatically select which color? This yellow color from this background, and it has applied to the setting. And that's why you can see on this left side, this bar is also in yellow color, this option is also in yellow color. Even when I take this pointer on this start button, it changes into yellow color. And when I click on the start button, this start menu also appear to be in yellow color. All these options here, it change into yellow color. So it depends upon you. If you want the operating system to choose any color from your background automatically, then it will help you. This option will help you. For example, in my case, this background is there. If I change the background, then automatically your color also will be changed. But if you don't want this yellow color or any color that you want from background, then what you can do, you can uncheck this one and you can choose anyone from this palette. For example, let me choose the green color, and you see it change into green color. Got it? So this way you can change whatever color you want according to your need using this color palette or using this option automatically pick and assign color from my background. It depends upon you. So next, let me show you this option, show assign color on the following surface. Means what? Now when you click this option, the first option, when you click, whatever color I have selected, green color I have selected, yes or no? So whatever color I have selected, it will apply to the start menu, taskbar, and also the action center. How? Now for example, let me click on the start button. You will see only the green colors are applied on the tiles and on the options, yes or no? But if I click on this option, then see the changes. Taskbar completely changed into green color, and when I click on start button, you will see the start button also completely changed. Before it was green color, now it is completely changed. The background is also green, and the tiles are also green, and also the options are also green. So this option let you change the background of your start button, taskbar, and action center. So let me check the action center. When I click on this action center icon, you will see the action center also change into green color. So this is the option. This was the first option. If you choose the second option, now this option will change only the title bar of your program window or of your file explorer or whatever program which is activated. So when I click on this, you will see settings screen border has been added to green color. And also when I click on this file explorer, you will see the title bar change into green color. So these second options enable you or help you to change the title bar of any program or the border of any active windows. So this way you can change the start menu, taskbar, or action center background, and also you can change the title bar and the windows border. So in this way you can customize your start menu, and also you can add the dark mode feature which is available in Windows 10.
Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel for more.